welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and if you're an oldie, hey, I've missed you guys. Okay, all right, so today, first of all, how are you guys enjoying this lockdown? Like, fam, me, I am tired, like, but anyway, we make the best out of it. I mean, it's for a good cause, and the most important thing is for us to stay alive. And don't pressure yourself, because I know that some people, they are under a lot of pressure, like to make the most out of this lockdown and all that. But the thing is, staying alive is more important. Yeah, there's stuff on social media that says, oh, you need to come out with a new skill, you need to get a certification or blah blah blah. Look, as long as you can stay alive, if you can, kudos. But if you can't, still kudos, you know. No pressure, just stay alive. Like, really, that's the most important thing at this point. Okay guys, so during this lockdown, my eyebrows grew to its fullest glory. Guys, look at my eyebrows, it is so full. So I was actually leaving it, but now that I'm pressed to shape it, I just feel like, okay, I should do it with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and I shape my eyebrows using a razor blade.
What the fuck?
Yes, I use a razor blade for my eyebrows, because tweezing, waxing, and what's the third one, threading, they all break me out. I've tried all of them at some point, and I broke out at every point that when I tried using it. I had tried having little small breakouts just around my eyebrows, and that wasn't sexy. So I have resolved to using my dearly beloved razor blade. You might be hearing some noise in the background, there's work going on around. So yes, I'll be using this Gillette. I don't know if it's Gillette or Gillette. I call it Gillette, sure. But anyway, I'll use this razor blade. I'll use the mascara wand. I'll use the cotton wool, and I'll use the perfume. You can use rubbing alcohol, but I prefer to just smell nice afterwards. Okay. So guys, let's get into it. Oh, so I'm going to get to the camera as close as possible, and I'll be using a mirror so that I can see clearly. Okay, so first of all, what I do is that I brush it off. So this is the blade I'll be using. So let's get into it. And I'm not going to take out a lot, I just want it to be a bit tamed, you know. Okay, so what I did first was to get this shape here, in this corner right here. And then I'm going to brush that out. Brush it down again to get this part. So I have a low hairline, my hair kind of joins with my eyebrows, so I try to take off some of the hair around my eyebrows to give it its own shape. I'll brush the hair upwards again. And then I'm now going to take out, based on the line I've already created on when I was shaping it down, I would use that line as a base to take out any excess hairs across that line. And I position my blade in an upward angle, then I just take it out. Preferably, if you want, you can use a scissors. Well, I just like to use a razor blade. Okay, so we are done with the top part. Now the down. This is where I'm going to create the angle. So what I do is I start taking out the hair gradually, because at this point, if you mess it up, you can't fix it. So I start taking the hair from the corner, and I start coming up gradually. Make sure your blade is flat on your face. Bearing in mind that I really don't want to go full, like I don't want to completely shape the whole eyebrows, so I'm just like taming it. So what I'm going to do now, brush the hair down and take out any hair that is across the line I have created. So right now my blade is going to be facing the downward position, and I'll take out any hair that crosses that line there. I know this is scary. I'm fighting the temptation to fully do this brows, so I think I'm just going to leave it here. Okay, well, let me take out a little bit more hair in here. It's so difficult using the mirror and trying to show you guys using the camera. Well, anyway guys, I'm just going to leave it at this point so that I don't get too excited and shape it all completely. So now you can see the difference between this brow and this brow. So this one is about to receive the same treat that this one got. So now after I'm done shaping, what I do is I wipe it down with my perfume. It stings a bit. Yep. So now over to this side. I think I'm going to be quicker with this side because I've already shown you guys how to do it. So again, I start from the top. Be sure you're looking at this eyebrow so that you don't give yourself a different shape, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, so you can see I've cleaned out the top, and then now I'm going to take out any excess hairs across the line I have created. Now the top is done, I'm going to do it on that. And that's it guys, so this is it. I always prefer this side of my eyebrows anyway because it's a bit more arched here as opposed to this side, but there's nothing pencil can fix. So that's it guys, I've done my eyebrows now. Remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I'm saying that because I always prefer this side to this side. But yeah, that's a quick and easy way to do your brows. I'm just going to wipe. It's going to sting a bit, but whew. Alright guys, so that's it. I've gone ahead to do my brows, and yeah, I always have to take out the new growth like every 3 days because my eyebrows, they grow very fast. Well, I hope you've been able to learn something from this video, and if you have any comments, please don't forget to comment down below. Any questions, I'll be glad to answer. And yeah, like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Don't forget to click the notification button, and I'll see you in my next one. Be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Stay safe guys, stay safe. Bye.